So till now we have calculated the lumens output and the luminance required for this typical flat. We calculated the lumens output and the luminance required for this typical flat, that is living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom and the WC. Here is the passage area. We also calculate this passage area into the lumens output. So how to calculate the luminance required for this passage area is the same. Like, first of all, measure this area of the passage. This is around 2.15 square meter. This is around 2.15 square meter. So by the same formula, I want to put the one luminaire into this. It may be downlight for this passage. So I want to put the one luminaire. The area is around 2.15 square meter. So I'll mention the 2.15 square meter. The passage, now see the list. If the passage required 200 lux level, so I will mention the 200 lux level. By this formula I will calculate the required lumens output, that is 2.15 so 2.15 into 200, that is 430. So 430 divided by 0.42, that is around 1023. So lumens output for this area for the passage is 1023. Now taking this lumens output, I will find out that which luminance is applicable for the passage area. This is around 1100 lumens output. So if I am taking the LED, it will be 13 watt. So I need to put the 13 watt LED or the 13 watt tube light into this area. So if I want to the 13 watt LED downlight, I need to choose this 10 to 12 watt LED downlight, that is, and I need to put at the center of this passage area. So this is, I have completed the inner lighting of the typical flat. If I want to put LED downlight into the balcony or the CFL bulb into the balcony, I will put like this. If I want to put the CFL bulb into the balcony, I will put over here. Like, I need to first prepare the legend of the LED light. If I want to put the side bulb into the balcony, it will be like this. This is the standard CFL side bulb for the wall. For the wall mounted bulb, CFL wall mounted bulb. I will put the single bulb for this balcony wall mounted area. So how to calculate the lumens output and the watt required for this side wall bulb? Go into this formula. In this formula, if I want the number of luminaires is 1, the area of the balcony is around 2.4 square meter. The balcony is considered as a passage, so I will take 200 lux level for the same.